Hey guys, we're going to be talking today about the Crescent Whisk professional shears set I got. I got this for 11 bucks on clearance from Tractor Supply. And let's take a look at these two shears here. The big one right here, it says precision ground titanium coated stainless steel blades for smooth cutting. It's got an offset design that keeps hands above material during cutting. It's got the ergonomic design, optimizes handle contact points to maximize comfort and control. TPR comfort grip handle is strategically textured to increase grip and comfort. That's this one right here, and also says a knife edge for more precise cuts. Then we got this little one over here. It says it's compact, heavy-duty titanium coated stainless steel blades for powerful cutting on heavy materials. Serrated bottom blade grips material for cleaner cuts and greater control. Ergonomic design optimizes handle contact points to maximize comfort and control. It's got a spring-loaded design, automatically opens for reduced fatigue. Alright, so that's kind of what it says. It says the bigger ones are for general use. Smooth cut knife edge blades. The bottom one, or the little one, the little one is for job site use. It's heavy duty serrated blades. Alright, so let's get this open and look at them. Be nice right now to have a pair of shears or scissors to cut this open. So that might be what these end up being, is opening up these packages. See if I can get in there. Always cut away from yourself so you don't cut yourself. There's the little shears that's supposedly for a job site. Let's get these big ones out of here. Okay. While I was at Tractor Supply, I was looking at the clearance stuff because everybody was telling me about all the deals they were having and good deals. Well, these shears, I think, I'm not positive it's the same one, but they looked exactly the same. These by themselves were like $10.99. So this was on clearance with the smaller ones for $10.99. So kind of got these for free. So it's got this, it's nice big plastic. It's kind of rubberized here in the middle of this one, at least. This one's all the hard plastic, but they got plenty of room for your fingers. It looks like you could probably, you can put, I got medium-sized hands. They're not big. They're small for a man probably, but you can fit all your fingers in there for if you really need to get a grip and cutting those. They look nice and feel nice. We'll see how they work. It's the Crescent brand. And you have these little ones. They have a little lock on them. They're quite a bit, blade's quite a bit smaller on them. It's got a little lock here because it's spring loaded. It opens on its own. It's really spring loaded. So when you store it, you want to lock that so they're shut, and it makes it a little bit more compact. But when in use, you let that go. It's got that. It's got a little serrated edge at the bottom to grip the material and cut through it. Let's see what it does on this plastic. Let's try, since it says these are for general use, let's try these on the plastic first, and then we'll try the smaller ones. Let's get this knife out of the way. So we'll cut with these big ones. That cuts right through it. No problem cutting through the cardboard that's inside and the plastic. Cuts right through. It's a little tough when it got to where it was bent. But let's try these guys. But those are more traditional style, just probably a little bit more heavy duty blades and heavy duty little grips on there. So let's do these ones. Let's see how these ones cut. Let's do the same thing. We'll cut through the cardboard and the plastic. I think it's cutting it better. It's just harder to, because it's so small. The blades are so small. Yeah, it's cutting through it better. or faster, easier. See if it does at the end here. Yeah. Woo! It just went flying. So these ones they're smaller, but with that, I think with those serrated edge on the bottom, it's just a little bit, even though they're smaller, it's got a heavier duty cut to it. So there you have it. You got the Crescent WIS professional shears. You got the general use ones and your job site ones. We'll see how they work out. Thanks guys for watching my video. And if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Have a great day.